Did you know most people clean the outside of their car way more often than the inside, even though they spend hours sitting inside it every week? Think about that for a second. Coffee spills in the cup holder, French fries hiding under the seats, pet hair welded into your floor mats, dust building up in vents you forgot even existed. And if you've ever used a weak car vacuum that sounds powerful but barely picks up crumbs, you know how frustrating that can be. Today, we're breaking down the best car vacuum cleaners you can buy on Amazon in 2026, from ultra-portable detail cleaners to absolute suction monsters that can handle pet hair, sand, and serious messes. And trust me, one of these vacuums feels like a tiny car detailing machine. Stick around because the #1 pick surprised me in a big way. Links are down below if you want to check prices while you watch. Now, before we jump in, quick reality check. Most people buy the wrong vacuum because they focus only on suction numbers. Bigger numbers look impressive, but if battery life is terrible, attachments are useless, or the vacuum is too bulky to actually use regularly, it becomes another gadget collecting dust in your trunk. That's why this ranking focuses on real-world convenience too. Coming in at number is the HOTO Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This feels premium immediately. The aluminum construction gives it a much nicer feel than many plastic competitors. But what really separates it is the compressed air duster feature. And this is where things get interesting. Most vacuums can suck dirt out. Very few can also blast dust out of tiny areas like dashboard buttons, air vents, keyboards, camera gear, or gaming setups. That makes this far more useful than a typical car vacuum. If you're someone who keeps both your car and workspace spotless, this is incredibly appealing. But there's a trade-off. It costs more. And while suction is strong, runtime isn't as long as some larger competitors. Compared to Rapair, it feels more premium but slightly less travel-friendly. At number 4, we have the Car Vacuum Portable Cordless 18,000 pascals. This one is built for longer cleaning sessions. Families with kids? This matters. Pet owners? This definitely matters. The large battery allows you to clean your entire vehicle without constantly worrying about recharge time. And the LED light is more useful than people expect. Cleaning under seats at night or inside dark corners becomes way easier. Its multiple attachments also help tackle pet hair, seat cracks, and trunk debris. Now, compared to HOTO, it feels less premium. Compared to Rapair, it's less compact. But for practical day-to-day cleaning, it's a better balance. At number 3 is the legendary BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean CHV1410L. This vacuum has been around for a reason. It's reliable, simple, and incredibly easy to use. The rotating nozzle helps reach weird corners, cup holders, vents, and tight seat gaps. Parents especially will appreciate this because quick messes happen constantly. Crushed snacks, juice spills, random dirt from soccer practice. This vacuum is built for fast cleanup. Now here's the downside. It doesn't offer the crazy suction numbers of newer competitors, and it lacks advanced blower features. But reliability matters, and BLACK+DECKER has earned trust for years. At number 2 is the Car Vacuum Portable Cordless 50,000 pascal high-power dustbuster. This thing is absurd, and I mean that in the best possible way. 50,000 pascal suction is serious territory. This handles sand, embedded pet hair, dirt, and heavy debris far better than smaller models. If you regularly go to beaches, travel with pets, or use your vehicle for work, this vacuum feels like overkill, in a good way. The dual battery system also helps avoid downtime. But here's the issue. It's bulkier, it's louder, and it costs more. This isn't for casual users cleaning light dust once a month. This is for people who want maximum power. And taking the #1 spot is the Fanttik Slim V10 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. This one wins because it solves the biggest problem with powerful vacuums: convenience. A lot of high-powered vacuums clean well, but feel annoying to grab for quick messes. This one is slim, lightweight, and easy to store. That means you'll actually use it, and that matters more than people think. The digital display feels modern, and the 4-in-1 attachments make detail cleaning much easier. Dashboard dust, keyboard crumbs, car seat corners, easy. Now, if you need maximum power, number 2 wins. If you want premium materials, HOTO wins. But for most people who want something fast, lightweight, and practical, Fanttik makes the most sense. And here's where buyers mess up. They buy giant vacuums for tiny messes, or tiny vacuums for major detailing jobs. Match the vacuum to your lifestyle. That's how you avoid wasting money. Best overall, Fanttik Slim V10 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. Best power option, Car Vacuum Portable Cordless 50,000 pascals. High power dustbuster. Best budget pick, Rapair V C28 Handheld Vacuum. Best reliability pick, BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean CHV1410L. Best premium multi-use option, HOTO Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Check the links in the description because prices move constantly on Amazon, and some of these deals disappear fast. If this video helped you find the right cleaning gadget for your car, hit subscribe for more smart product reviews that save you time, money, and frustration.